Can you download YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium? Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to find out if you're able to download the YouTube videos for free without YouTube Premium. But before getting started, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is open up the YouTube app and then just make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have done that, you will need to find the video that you want to download. So usually what happens is if you open any video like this, and if the uploader has turned on the downloading, this download does not mean that you're able to download it to your gallery or camera roll, but what this does is it will download it to your a library, and which makes it able to see the video even when you are offline. So you just have this feature if you don't have YouTube Premium. But if there is YouTube Premium, you are able to download it to your phone's camera roll. Now, if you have downloaded it, here is where you can find it. So go on your homepage, tap on the U section on the bottom right, tap on the downloads right here, and then you will see the downloaded videos right here. So these will be available here for 30 days, and after 30 days these will expire. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.